Hello, I'm here with another unboxing. I think I have gone slightly crazy. Please tell me why I can't pass a bargain up. Right, so this has been sat on my desk for over a week now, but I was just waiting to unbox it with you guys. So this is a true unboxing. This box is fully shut. I have not opened it. All I've done is just cover my address with the label. This is an item that's very similar to my last unboxing. And when I saw this colour, which I am absolutely obsessed with, especially for summer, I could not pass it by. Right, so what we will do is just open the box. Goodness. So this item I purchased from Vestia Collective. Ooh, it came with the box. That's lovely. Okay, so so I purchased this pre-loved. It was sent to Vestia to authenticate it, and once they did that, they sent it to me essentially. So we have the box. Doesn't seem to be an original box because it's a slide out box, which usually shoes and stuff come in. I'll just move the cardboard aside. Right, so yeah, by the looks of things, this is not the original box. However, anyone like to guess what this is? Let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness! Okay. Sorry. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so if I move this out of the way. So it did come with a dust bag. I'm not sure whether this is the original dust bag. It might be a little booklet on Epi, and also one of these little cards, cowhide leather, man-made interior lining. Right, I'm not sure exactly what year this bag is from. I think potentially 2016. So it came with a leather strap. We've got the clochette. Not sure why it's open, but hey ho. Right, so condition of this was listed as very good, and from initial very quick inspection, I would probably say that's, yeah, that's true. Let's open it up. Very clean on the inside. Nothing on the inner pocket. Oh my goodness, right, okay, so this is my second bag, or second Louis Vuitton bag with silver hardware, which I actually really like with this colour. So I'm going to take the strap off because it's just getting in the way slightly. Let's zip it up as well. So the previous owner has had the lock attached to the zipper, which actually annoys me. So I will take it off. The keys with Alma VBs tend to be in the clochettes, and that unlocked the lock. There you go. All right, so we will just put that there. Oh, I love this color. Right, okay, so I'm not even sure what color this is. Chartreuse. It's somewhere in between a lime and a lemon, I would say. It's like a yellowy green. Right, okay, so in terms of condition, we do have a little bit of wear just on this area here. I think that's just where the strap has sort of sat, because it's the same thing on the other side as well. The feet have a tiny bit of wear, but other than that, the base is actually really good. The corners, I can see there's a little bit of wear there, but that's not on all of them. And then the only other tiny sort of signage of use I can see is actually here, so I'm not sure whether the camera will pick it up, but there's just a little bit of it's not scratches, it's more like little, like few dents by the where the LV is stamped out on the leather. But other than that, it's actually really good. So the base is really good, and the handles look really, really good. Oh, I love it so much. Right, okay. And then we have the strap. So I actually much prefer these sort of leather straps that the Alma BBs come with rather than the fabric strap. So I'm really happy to have this with a leather strap. Right, and actually the condition of the strap itself is also really, really good. So I do have an item in a similar colour, which I thought would actually be exactly the same, but let me see if I can get it and then we can compare. So the other item in a similar colour I have is actually the Toiletry 26, also in this Epi Chartreuse colour. So they're similar but not the same. I would say the Toiletry 26 is actually slightly more yellow. Not sure if you can see that here. Yeah, I think this is slightly more yellow. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. We'll use it. Right, okay, so what year is this from? Decos on the Alma BBs tend to be in the inner pocket. And the year 2014, which I think, considering this bag is almost 10 years old or 9 years old, wow, it's really good. That makes me very excited for the summer. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, I purchased this from Vestiaire. It was a used item. I got it for a very good price considering what it is and compared to sort of the Alma BBs that are for sale these days, and I'm very happy. The condition is great and I cannot wait to use it this spring and summer. Right, yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.